RPR's new Property Flyer template gives realtors a simple, modern way to market their listings. Need a quick one-pager for a new listing, an open house, or just to show off a property's best features? This flyer is built to be fast, simple, and impactful. Access the new template by selecting Reports, then Report Templates. Select Flyer. Enter in your report address and title your report. The title does not show on your report, but is used for you to easily reference the flyer later. You can also click Create Report from any property details page and select Property Flyer Template. Now you're in the report editor where you can customize your property flyer to your liking. The Customize tab automatically pops out, but if you want to view the property flyer without the tab, select the X. Select Customize to bring it back. You can also increase the size of your viewer here. Start by editing your contact info. Select Edit Contact. Select or unselect any elements you want shown on your flyer. Choose phone, email, and website from the dropdowns if you have multiple listed on your profile. And if you need to edit the actual information, select Edit Profile and you'll be redirected to the profile page. Make any changes, select Save, and then navigate back to the report editor via the breadcrumbs at the top of your page. Back to the Customize tab, under Primary Image, scroll to the right to view photos. Select View All to see all the images on the property. Use the photos you've added from the property details page or mobile app, the historical photos, or even map views if available. If you've not already added your own photos, select Add Photos and upload them here. Select the checkbox in the upper left corner of the photo to use as your cover photo. Move back to your cover page elements by selecting the back arrow at Primary Image. Customize the headline to grab attention with up to 2 lines of text. Edit the property description from the MLS to highlight key details. You can use up to 800 characters. Next, you'll choose the property price to display, including the price label, which you can edit with your own text. Under Price, choose from the drop-down List Price, Estimated Value, CMA, or Refined Value. Note CMA and Refined Value will only show if you've created a CMA or refined value of the property on their details page. Now select up to 10 property facts to provide quick, essential insights. And lastly, you can choose to include extra images of the property or a vicinity map for more visual appeal on your flyer. Now, this is a one-page flyer, but you also have the ability to insert your own custom pages, turning the flyer into a multi-page leave-behind or takeaway piece. From the Custom Pages tab, select Add Page, upload your PDFs, and then select which ones you want included with your flyer. If at any point while editing you need to leave and come back later, make sure to save as draft. Save as template allows you to keep all your preset selections to use for future flyers. Select Share to share your report with a client. Copy Dynamic Link gives you a link to the report that will update every 48 hours when accessed. So if that list price updates, it will update on your flyer as well. Email will let you email that same dynamic link. And choose Download to download a static PDF version of the report to print. The RPR Property Flyer template is sleek, simple, and built to help you market smarter. Create one today.